Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another Make It Your Own Monday DIY project video. This one is going to be really simple and really pretty. It's a Pinterest inspired candle holder, I guess. I'm not really sure what to call it. If you have a name for it, let me know. But if you'd like to see how I did it, please keep watching. All you'll need for this project are some branches. Doesn't have to be the same kind I use, whatever you think will look pretty in the bottles. 3 candlesticks and 3 bottles. I picked the 2 of the bottles up from Goodwill. They were 50 cents a piece. And the candlesticks I got were also from Goodwill. They were 99 cents a piece. The other bottle I had, it was an old wine bottle that I just peeled the label off. And then just some branches that I snipped from my yard. And all you have to do is fill the bottles with water, stick the branches in. And you're going to want to trim the candlesticks, make them a little bit shorter, and also probably carve out the bottom so that they fit really snug into the bottle because you don't want them tipping over. Also, before I forget, I found some end tables at the Goodwill when I was there yesterday, and I want your opinion on how I should refinish them. I'm not sure. I wanted to do like farmhouse style, but I'm not sure. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. I think these bottles are really pretty just as is. You can set them on your table as like a centerpiece. You can put them in the windowsill. You can decorate for fall with them or for Christmas. I just think they look really pretty wherever they are. Here are those 2 end tables that I found at Goodwill that I was talking about. They were $2.99 a piece, so I couldn't pass them up. I knew I could do something to them. I'm just not totally sure how I want to refinish them. So if you guys have any ideas, would you please let me know in the comments below? Guys, I hope you like this super simple, super affordable DIY project, and if you make them yourself, I would love to see pictures. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!